Hello everyone. After a very long time I'm back again. Due to making regular videos, I was facing some problems in my eyes. That's why I had dropped it for some time. And the second reason was also somewhere that sometimes, even after working very hard, when one does not get the results, one becomes depressed. And I too had become very disappointed during these days. I have gathered courage again. Please support me, and I will try to provide regular videos for you all and give the best. Now, without wasting the time, let's start the video. So, today's topic is how to write an introduction of any topic, whether it is an article or paragraph or an essay. In this video, I will tell you some very easy and excellent tips by which you will be able to write a great introduction. So let's start. An introduction serves as the opening section of an essay, paragraph or article. Its primary purpose is to grab the reader's attention, provide context or background information, and present the main thesis or argument of the piece. Here is a general guide on how to write an effective introduction. First, you should know that what is introduction. The introduction to an essay, paragraph or article is a strategic beginning that aims to captivate readers and set the stage for what follows. It starts with a compelling hook, a question, static, anecdote or question to grab attention. Then it provides context to clarify the topic importance and relevance. Next, it presents a clear thesis statement that outlines the main arguments or purpose of the piece. Finally, it previews the structure of the writing, guiding readers through what they can expect to learn or explore. Together, these elements create a cohesive and engaging introduction that prepares readers for the deeper content ahead. Writing the introduction of any topic involves several key steps. I will explain you in points so that you can understand it better. First, hook. Start with a compelling hook to grab the reader's attention. This could be a provocating question, a surprising fact, or a static, an anecdote, a relevant question, or a vivid description. Second, context. Provide necessary background information or context related to the topic. This helps reader understand the significance of the subject matter. Explain why it is important or interesting and briefly outline any key terms or concepts that will be discussed. Third, thesis statement. Clearly state the main points or arguments of your essay, paragraph or article. This should briefly outline what the piece will discuss or argue. Make sure it's concise, specific and debatable. Fourth, scope. Outline the scope of your essay by briefly mentioning the main points or arguments you will be addressing in the body paragraphs. This helps to set expectations and guide the readers on what to expect. Fifth, transition. Smoothly transition from the introduction to the body of your work. This transition should logically flow from the introductory points to the more detailed discussion that follows. This could be a sentence that previews the main points you will be discussing or set up the structure of your essay. Remember to keep your introduction clear, concise and engaging, setting the stage for the rest of your essay, para or article. Here is an example to illustrate these points. Example introduction. Did you know that over 70% of Earth's surface is covered by water? Despite its abundance, the ocean remains one of the least explored and understood part of our planet. In this essay, we will delve into the mysteries of the deep sea examining its unique ecosystem, the challenges of ocean exploration, and the implications for environmental conservation. By shedding light on these aspects, we aim to highlight both the wonders and the pressing issues surrounding the oceans today. This example introduction starts with the surprising fact: Hook provides context about the topic, the ocean, state the main focus on the essay, exploring the deep sea and its implications, and outlines what will be discussed: ecosystem, exploration, challenges, and conservation. Creating a strong introduction sets a tone for your writing and encourages readers to continue exploring your ideas. Hope this video will be very useful for you in writing a great introduction. Now please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Please support us. Thank you.